I guess it's still safe to say Happy New Year. This is my first video for the year. Hopefully I get to make more. Okay, so this is my sister. Her name is Dimitra. We decided to go see a movie with a friend. We saw the movie F1, the movie. If you have seen that movie, you know that movie was last year, and this video was obviously recorded last year. But I've just been procrastinating on posting it. So yeah, I guess we have a New Year resolution. Yeah, so this is us in the cinema waiting for the movie to start as usual. That's me with my popcorn, waiting for the movie to start. Yeah, chilling. Always chilling. Okay, so yeah, this is the movie. I'm just going to let it play for a bit because I love the sound of voices. I know the movie was good and we really enjoyed it. After that, we decided to go grab something to eat. We went to this new restaurant called Africana. This is their menu, and this is us trying to decide on what to eat. They had quite like a lot of things on their menu, and it looks good. And yeah, this is us trying to decide on what to order. The prices were also fair, to be honest. And yeah, that's my sister's friend that later joined us. I think at this point we already, you know how you order for your drinks, yeah, for your food. That's my drink, and yes, cheers. I loved my drink. I'm a sweet tooth, so I ordered something sweeter, yeah. And the food came, and trust me, it tastes as good as it looks. My sister and her friend kept talking about how the chicken was so tasty. I think I went with ribs or steak. I can't remember. It's been quite a while. Yep, that's my plate, and yeah, that's me eating. I really enjoyed my food. It's somewhere I would recommend, and it's somewhere I would love to visit again. If you're still here, I appreciate you. Wishing you a very blessed year ahead. Thank you. Bye.